Let's party, unpacking the celebration phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very festive phrase you've probably heard a lot. Let's party. It's a common expression in the English language, often used to show excitement and invite others to join in a celebration. So, if you're ready to add a little fun to your English vocabulary, let's get the party started. At its core, "Let's party" is an invitation. It suggests that the speaker wants to engage in fun activities, usually with others, and is inviting the listener to join in. It's a casual phrase, filled with the promise of good times, dancing, music, and socializing. We'll explore when to use this phrase and look at some examples in context. This phrase is perfect for informal settings. You might hear it at the beginning of a social gathering, when someone suggests moving to a more festive location, as a way to lift spirits and suggest having a good time. "Let's party" is not suitable for formal situations and is best kept for times of leisure and enjoyment with friends or family. English is rich with variations, and this phrase is no exception. You can also hear, "It's party time. Let's have a blast. Are we ready to celebrate? Let's make some noise." Each of these carries a similar meaning but adds a different flavor to the invitation. Partying is a universal concept, but it can look different across cultures. In this section, we'll briefly discuss the importance of understanding the context of partying in different cultures and how it influences the way the phrase, "Let's party," is received and understood. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, "Let's party." It's a fun expression that's all about sharing good times with others. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the joy and culture behind the words we use. So next time you hear or use this phrase, you'll know exactly what it entails. Happy learning! And I hope you find a reason to say, "Let's party," very soon.